How to enter Purple Screen Mode Operation Guide. This demo uses P15 with iPhone XS. First, use the JCID DFU cable to put the phone into DFU mode. After the phone enters DFU mode, use the JCID Purple Screen Cable to connect the P15 and the phone. Then connect the P15 to the computer. Select the P15 interface. Choose the P15 port to connect. After connection, click the phone icon in the top left to enter Purple Screen Mode. Wait for the phone to enter Purple Screen Mode automatically. The phone has successfully entered Purple Screen Mode. Click Query Info to read Nand SYSCFG data. Modify the data and click Write Selected Info to apply changes. Click PCIe Unlock Wi-Fi to remove Wi-Fi binding. Click Factory Code Unbind to check factory code and unbind it. Click More Features. You can perform one-click erase or restore. Click Purple Screen on the top left to exit the mode.